Welcome to Abberly Skye, located in the greater Atlanta area of Decatur, Georgia. This elevated community wraps its residents in luxuriousness and convenience. Outdoor amenities include sports courts, fire pits, and so much more. Abberly Skye is appropriately named, as a rooftop pool gives residents a bird's eye view of the area. The Clubhouse beckons residents, boasting tastefully designed gathering areas, a hot tub, and places to work and play. The fitness center is outstanding and includes workout equipment for everyone. Whether you're a fitness novice or an expert, you are sure to find something that fits your needs. Need a place to meet with clients? We have a conference room for that. Life is good at Skye, and we invite you to experience the Abberly by HHHunt apartment living difference. Learn more at AbberlySkye.com. Abberly Skye is an HHHunt apartment living community. To see a complete list of our communities, please visit HHHuntapartmentliving.com. HHHunt, it's how you live that matters.